did it again. Shut her down. I shut it down. We're back. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get these beach waves. Ain't they so cute? It's given very much tossed, effortless, like I just hopped out of bed for real. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it a couple times because it's like a little technique I got. I've been doing this for a minute now and it's working for me and it's really cute. And it doesn't take me long. The hair is long, so it only took me what, like 20 minutes maybe, and that was me playing, so it really could have took less time. So yeah, if you guys like my curls, if you want to see how I achieved, please keep watching. Okay, so first and foremost, please excuse me chewing my gum. I didn't realize that I was chewing my gum while making the video, but we just gonna act like it's not happening. And I'm not closing my mouth. Oh my God. And also excuse him because he gonna be in my video. He gonna act like he don't know that I'm recording, but he know. He just wanted to be in the video. But anyways, it's not hard to do this. It's just you adding an extra step to get the look that we want. So basically I'm gonna be curling the hair regular. Please, oh my God. I'm gonna be curling the hair like I normally would, but instead of just feeding the hair into the curling iron all the way, I'm gonna be unraveling the curl as I go down, but you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I just took the part that I already curled out of the curling iron, and I'm pulling it just to make the curl loose, to take like that extra curl look out of it. It's just like a wave. And once I get to the end, I'm not gonna curl the end. I just pull the curling iron down just to straighten the end. And you can see that I have like a nice, it looked like I twisted it around my finger, but it's just like a nice little loose curl that's gonna give us the beach wave once we comb the curls out. I'm gonna show you guys one more time how I do it before I actually speed up the video. And this time you can see that I'm curling the opposite direction, and alternating your curls also help your curls not to look like one big wave. You can actually see the curls. So yeah, keep watching to see the final result of this hairstyle.
been
break time. Zip it up. All right, y'all. So it's getting cold outside. So we all know that it's hoodie season. And I want to show y'all this brand. This brand is called Untouchable Lifestyle. And they have all kind of hoodies, all kinds of, well, it's a streetwear brand, so they have a lot of things. But this particular hoodie is so cute. It's a full zip. And this part says Untouchable. This is my favorite brand in the whole wide world. I'll leave the link to their Instagram and website in the description box. But yeah, y'all see how fire it is. Y'all see how cute it is. It's unisex. So, girls and boys. Yeah. So yeah. I'm going to try it on at the end. But I just wanted y'all to see because it's so cute. Alright, back to my video. Alright, y'all, so I got the first side done. Just to save time, I'm going to do this side off camera and I'm gonna come back and brush it out with y'all. So be right back. So I finally finished the other side. Please, I'm really like, please excuse all that, like I'm giving titties today. But I finally finished the other side. This is what the curls look like when I'm done curling. The point of the curls are to look loose and effortless. That's why they're like, it just look like twisties for real. Like, it just looked like I twisted the hair like twisties. And I did not curl the ends. That's gonna give it the look. Like, to me, that's the definition of what beach waves are. So I'm just gonna take my big comb and I'm gonna comb them out. And the point of alternating the curls were so that they didn't clump up together. See how cute they look? Kind of look like I braided it maybe. I love this hairstyle. Comb the other side. Alright. They look so good. I'll show you guys the back. I hope y'all can see. I don't know what they're looking like. Eight. Let me fix the front. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends and family so we all can be cute together. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.